I mean, you are getting maybe 400 in a season, but still you are waiting in the line to get the opportunity for Mumbai, because the competition is so high, and every player do not wanted to lose his place in the team. And if you miss the place, that naturally somebody is in the line who is going to take that opportunity, and he is not going to miss the place. So naturally, looking at that competition, even the club level cricket, because so many cricketers were talented, so many cricketers were highly reputed cricketers who they were fighting for the place. And to get in Mumbai's team, it was not so easy. I would say that I would call myself very lucky to be a member of Mumbai team, because those days that finding a place in the team, maybe as a batsman, maybe as a wicket keeper, was not so easy, because every cricketer is taking that opportunity and trying to grab that opportunity, which I think was the most important. And that is the reason I would say that every cricketer was a Khadus cricketer, and he still believes that the Mumbai cricketers are Khadus. See, basically, I would say that definitely it was a very disappointing match for us, because losing by 2 runs, because coming so close but yet you are far. So that kind of feeling, because we really had to work hard to get to so close to the match, and then leaving that match halfway. I mean, you're losing by 1 run or maybe 2 runs, which is ultimately you lost. Mumbai has been winning so many Ranji trophies, 37 times, and that is just because they have this ability, they have these players who can turn the games in their favor all the time. And Mumbai has, I would say that we always seen that player have changed the entire scenario of the game. It is the game which has gone out of their hand, still they are able to make it into their favor. So similarly, same inning that Dilip had played, because the game was too far from away from us, and he managed to get the game so close. But it was so excited game, and Dilip did not have that so much opportunity to bat at the other end when the last over was going on, the 1 wicket to go. But that was the biggest disappointment, getting so close yet so far. I think that made us very disappointed in that. One particular game, we were playing against Saurashtra, and I had to go as a youngster. I had to go in the dressing room and ask Sunil Gavaskar that, sir, can you tell me what I am supposed to improve upon my game? So he just gave me one advice, that I think, Chandu, you should go out and watch the game. You observe the game, and that particular time I was little disappointed. I felt that probably that my senior cricketer does not want to help me. But when I thought about after 3 years or 2 years after with my experience, I think that was the right advice which was given to Sunil Gavaskar, such a big cricketer, and the one word has said and made something in my cricketing career. And today, I played cricket, I think I still believe in implementing to the youngsters that you must watch the game, you must observe the game. I think that observation quality which we had later on, watching the top class cricketers, how they play, how they behave, how they approach towards the game, I think that has made us a little smart cricketer, I would say, because without saying a single word, or without interaction with the senior cricketers, I have developed a very good observative quality, where it was made to me that a very smart cricketer, because every move on the ground, which tomorrow I can say that, talking about Ashok Mankar, talking about Vengsarkar, talking about Sandeep Patil, talking about Sunil Gavaskar, watching them what they are doing, that made us a good cricketer. And that observative quality which we develop, I think that quality has to be developed by each cricketer, which without only giving you some feedback about the game, teaching you something about the game, that is not going to be enough for you, but you should have a quality of observing. And today's cricketer also, what I would say, that when they are watching, that they should watch the part of the situation of the game, to learn, to become a smart cricketer. Well, I think I would say the team management. The man management was a very important role I played, according to me, because Mumbai, when I was coach, Mumbai had a very good team, and the players what they have it's a very good ability they had. So naturally I had to just organize and manage well with the players individually, having interaction with the players, and the same time of course strategy and planning I had to work with, and to make them work with this strategy and planning, that was a good interaction I have been having regularly with the team. It was a great moment I would say as a coach, because being a member of the Mumbai team as a player, winning the Ranji Trophy, that was a great moment. I would say even the becoming coach of Mumbai team and winning the Ranji Trophy, there were two great memories I have, and a good moment I always share in my cricketing career. So I think that was the best part we had, and the combination what the team had, because every player has a very good ability to perform on this. Because Mumbai, when I used to always talk about, I always believe as a coach that the discipline and the system has to be properly followed, and I think that was the major part which we started doing. Because I still remember one incident when I took the charge in Mumbai team, and I would say that a great incident of Sachin Tendulkar, because people talk about him, and I had personally interaction with him, and talking about all Mumbai players were having collar up during the game, and I think 3 years duration that Mumbai never won the trophy, because when the Ranji Trophy, I had to just made them sit and talk to them that we have to just land on the our foot. So try and make sure that we put our collar down and play the game. Let people know that we are still down to earth. It's not that we have the arrogance. We have to have arrogance when you have your ability, and we are sure about that we are going to win. And with that incident, I remember that even I requested Sachin, and he said yes, definitely we'll try. Normally Sachin doesn't even bother to put the collar up, but it just my that interaction with him. Similarly, I had a word with Ajit Agarkar. I think that was the biggest change I could see immediately with the Mumbai team, that everybody that was following the system and the discipline, and that entire thing was changed after that. And this is what I believe, because can't have a doubt on the ability of the player who are playing for Mumbai. Well, definitely I would first I would say that I always been trying to implement that discipline and the system with this. There's so much faith that Mumbai Cricket Association is having on me, that I have a biggest responsibility of shaping the Mumbai's cricket in a proper way. And definitely we have the planning of getting so many top class cricketers and show them that how they have played cricket in the past, what was the passion for Mumbai, what was the the dream that the cricketers have, and how these young cricketers can develop into that. So they should be able to play for Mumbai